To begin, you will want to remove your damaged or old canopy. First, you will start by loosening and removing the turn knobs on one end. Next, you will remove the end cap. If the cap is too tight, you may try loosening it with a screwdriver. Once the end cap has been removed, you will slide out the canopy from the roof bar. Now you will also slide out the plastic tube. Repeat this on the opposite side. Now that your canopy has been removed, you will install the new canopy. To start, slide the plastic tube into the canopy. Next, you will slide the canopy and plastic tube into the metal roof bar. Then you can insert the end caps back into the roof bar. Then you will line up the roof bar to the main frame and attach and secure the frame in place by screwing in the turn knob. Repeat this on the opposite side. Now you can relax and enjoy your swing. We hope that you found this video helpful. If you still have questions, please feel free to call us at 877-479-4637 or email us at customerservice@gardenwinds.com.